here's my version of flipping the bird. Here you go. Let's do it again. Say, you're mad at someone. They've insulted you. Let's flip them the bird. That's weird. There you go. Flip the bird. La 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 la. Okay. I know, you want a head scratch. You did a good job. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. You did. Good job.